So now we've learned some XHTML and some CSS, and let's put it to use. What we have here is a website that has been provided for us. It's been designed, all the assets have been created, all of the images have been built, and they're all sitting in folders in our exercise files. Our task is to build a website that looks exactly like this, using the techniques that we have learned. And so this website is small. It has 4 pages. They all have this basic layout with main content on the left and sidebar content on the right. This page here has got some products on it, and this page here is just, about the surfing lifestyle. And this page here has an embedded YouTube video on it. And so our task is to duplicate this website with what we've been given. So we've been given all of these images, we've been given all of this text, and we've been given an example of what it looks like. So this is not unlike how oftentimes, I'll get a job where the designers have done their bit and now they want me to put all of this together and make it work. And so let's take a look at the exercise files folder and see how this is organized. And here we have in chapter 9 of our exercise files, we have a number of different folders. The complete site is in folder number 1, and so that is with chapter 9 lesson 1, which is this one here. And so that has the complete site, which we're looking at right here with all of these pages and links and such in it. And then each of the other lessons has its own exercise files. So there's lesson 2, which is where we'll begin building the header. Lesson 3 will build the contact menu. Lesson 4 will build the main menu. So each of these has its own purpose. And in each of these has a beginning place and an ending place. Like here we have this beginning HTML. And so what you'll do is you'll save this as heading.html. And then by the time you're done with the lesson, it should match the ending.html. And likewise in the CSS folder, you'll have a beginning and an ending. You'll save the beginning as main.css. And in the lesson, I'll tell you all of this, so you don't have to memorize it or write it down right now. I will guide you along. I'll say, okay, now we're going to save as main.css. And so the idea is for you to follow along with me. And by the time this is all done, at the end of the chapter, you will have built this website in your own machine with your own text editor and your own tools. I want to thank James Williamson, who designed the original version of this website and wrote the clever copy you see here. So we can put that into practical use and see how it all goes together to build a complete website.